Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva's magic media. And this basically allows us to turn text to video and also text to image, which can be really useful for our presentations and designs. So to start with, I'm going to show you how to use text to video. You first need to access magic media down here. And then you want to just head over to the videos tab. From here, you want to describe a scene to generate a few seconds of video. And they say here to include colours, places and movement. And you can also try an example by clicking this button. So here it says pop art animated background, minimal motion design aesthetic. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this now, and I'll be back in a couple minutes once this is loaded. So as you can see, our video has now been loaded and we can hover over it to watch it play in real time. In my opinion, that prompt was a bit too complex for where this AI is at for now. I have actually used this before and it generated some water lilies and that actually looked really realistic. So if you used a prompt that involved nature, like someone walking through a forest or something like that, I'm sure it would give a lot better results. But you do have to remember this technology is brand new, so this is only going to improve it with time. Now there's also text to image as well, and we can just click this image tab to access this. And just like last time, we can click on here to get an example. And here it's given us a macaw in full colour. Now the cool thing about this text to image is although it will create really good images, we can also add styles as well. So let's just say we wanted a macaw in full colour with this dreamy style on top of it. We'd click create your image here and it will start working on 4 AI versions of that prompt. Now this one doesn't take as long to load as the video because it's only 4 photos and it doesn't have to make a whole video. And there you can see one of them's actually loaded in now. And as you can see, this is a really high quality professional looking image. Now you can take all of these and see which one you prefer best, zoom it in to look at the detail. And then once you've found the one you like, you can simply just drag it into your work. And then just like that, it seamlessly fits into your design. So that's exactly how you can use Canva's magic media. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.